What if time doesn't flow at all? What if every moment, past, present, and future, exists together, folded within the same invisible fabric, and what we call the present is just the point where we touch it? And what if your choices right now could ripple backward, shaping the very past that brought you here? It sounds impossible, but in quantum physics, reality is rarely what it seems. In everyday life, time feels like an arrow, cause, then effect. You wake up, you act, and later you remember. That flow is so fundamental to how we think that it feels unbreakable. But physics suggests it's not a law. It's a story our brains tell to make sense of change. The arrow of time comes from entropy, the tendency for order to decay. Yet in the quantum world, that order can blur, and with it, so can the direction of time itself. In 2022, researchers achieved what once seemed unimaginable. They placed a photon in a superposition of two time directions, one moving forward, one moving backward. It experienced both at once. Other experiments, like Wheeler's delayed choice and the quantum eraser, showed that a choice made after a photon passes through a system can still affect how it behaved before it was measured. It's as though the past waits for the present to decide what it was. The universe, at its deepest level, seems reluctant to lock in history until observation demands it. Physicists now talk about indefinite causal order, a state where A can cause B and B can cause A simultaneously. Imagine time not as a line, but as a folded sheet where distant points suddenly touch. Your observation, your decision, your attention, all play a role in how that fold settles. But this isn't time travel or rewriting history. It's subtler, stranger, and more beautiful. It means the fabric of reality is not fixed but relational. A network of possibilities that become real only when connected by awareness. Some theories, like the two-state vector formalism, propose that quantum systems are defined by boundary conditions from both the past and the future, a kind of handshake across time. Others suggest time itself isn't fundamental at all, but something that emerges from the correlations between entangled particles. In that view, time is built from relationships, from information linking one event to another. The flow we feel may not be the motion of time, but the unfolding of connection. If that's true, then the question changes. Perhaps we don't live in a river of time, but in an ocean of possibilities. The past might not be gone, only unresolved. Each thought, observation, or choice doesn't rewrite the past, but gives it meaning, completing it. The universe isn't a film that's already been shot. It's a film still being edited from both ends, past and future converging through now. Maybe that's what it means for time to fold, the past echoing through the present and the present shaping the past, not by magic, but by the logic of reality itself. And perhaps the most profound truth isn't that we can change the past, but that the past was never truly finished until this moment. If this made you stop and rethink everything you know about time, subscribe to Smart Reels, where science meets wonder, and share it with someone who still believes the arrow of time only moves one way.